Meet the Magnetic Microwave Splatter Cover 2.0, your ultimate kitchen companion for clean and hassle-free microwave cooking. This upgraded splatter cover takes convenience to the next level with more powerful microwave-safe magnets. It effortlessly sticks to your microwave ceiling when not in use, keeping it out of the way but always ready. With vented steam escapes and easy grip handles, reheating meals become safer and mess-free. This 12-inch collapsible cover is perfect for plates, bowls, and dishes of various sizes. It's designed to prevent messy splatters, saving you the trouble of constant microwave cleanups. But here's the catch. Ensure your microwave has a flat metal ceiling for the magnets to work their magic. A quick magnet test can confirm compatibility, making it suitable for most standard and smaller microwaves. Made from BPA-Free, food-safe material, this cover ensures safety and durability. It's heat-resistant up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, standing strong during high-temperature cooking. Its collapsible design also makes storage simple, freeing up valuable kitchen space. Fully tested for quality, it's a reliable option for any kitchen. With its thoughtful features and high-quality design, the Magnetic Microwave Splatter Cover 2.0 ensures a cleaner microwave and a better cooking experience. If you're ever unsatisfied, their customer service is ready to assist. Simplify your kitchen routine today with this must-have gadget. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.